What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have a look at 3 important buildings in Hong Kong known for the latest tech gadgets. Not just smartphones, we're talking about headphones, custom desktop PCs, laptops, mini PCs, all sorts of tech gadgets. So I'm most excited to show you these 3 buildings. I've gone there myself. I've been there many times over the years. There are tons of buildings important in Shenzhen and in Hong Kong. As you guys know, these are international tech hubs, smartphone hubs. So there's all sorts of stuff. There's secondhand phones. People do parallel imports of these phones. You get all sorts of specs from Korea spec, China spec, US spec. And I'm excited to show it all to you guys. We're going to go through one by one each of these buildings and take you through a live walkthrough. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, the first building is the Golden Computer Arcade or the Golden Computer Center in the Sham Shui Po district of Hong Kong. Anybody who's from Hong Kong has known this building since like over 20 years. It literally transacts hundreds of millions of dollars per month in all sorts of tech gadgets. And I mean, it's not as much known for phones as it is for desktops, PCs, gaming accessories, all sorts of things like that. It's an independent, sort of dense cluster of like tech stalls or small shops. And they've got everything, covers all sorts of major brands. I would definitely recommend visiting if you're in Hong Kong. Golden Computer Center covers all sorts of imports, which are from Japan, Korea, Thailand, China. So it has all the parallel imports of every sort of accessory. So anything you're looking for, you're definitely going to find it there. All right, guys, the second location is the Fukian shopping center right opposite the Golden Computer Arcade or Golden Computer Center. It's also a go-to spot for, I would say, Android budgeted phones. It's got OnePlus, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo. It's covered all those brands extremely well, every single model. And I mean, it's a place you can buy mainly new phones, but you can also sell used phones and you get refurbished phones. So I would definitely recommend it as a place to go check out. All right, guys, the third location was Sinthat Plaza. I would say it's the ultimate destination for smartphone tech gadgets, especially in Hong Kong. It's gotta be my top 2 or 3, or maybe my top 1, I would say. And it's got every coverage of every phone, so definitely have a look, guys. So this is located in Mong Kok. I would highly recommend it if you're looking for mobile phones specifically. This barely has any other products but mobile phones. And if you're looking to trade in, you're looking to sell your old mobile phone, or you're looking to buy the latest mobile phone available, you're gonna get it in stock over there. It's got amazing coverage of every single model, every color of each phone. So I would definitely recommend it. And it's also very similar to the Golden Computer Arcade in that sense. It's also dense clusters of small stores, each covering its own kind of brand and specific models. If you're looking for customization, on-site screen replacement, if you're looking for repairs of like sort of older phones that, you know, other people are struggling to do, this would be the place to go. And on top of that, I would say, guys, buyers, just be careful. You know, they're known for aggressive sales tactics. You know, they'll sell you phones that are like refurbished, but then like, you know, they might sell it to you as new. You know, they're really smart about it. You know, they have lots of experience, all these small stores. You do need to navigate it. I've been going there since years, so I know who to deal with, who to not deal with. And, you know, I kind of stick with the same sort of 10, 15 people. I don't really, you know, try anyone new as such unless, you know, I'm looking for something, you know, they don't have. But it's definitely a place to go. Every single model, guys, it's quite exciting seeing that much stock in like one area and, you know, how full the coverage is in terms of specifically smartphones. There is one more building I didn't cover, guys. I'm going to cover it in the next video. It's also quite famous, quite known. It's a place where I would say there's pretty similar dense cluster, but they focus a bit more on like the Android segments, but it is an exciting place to be. I'm definitely going to cover it in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please put up a like. I really appreciate it. And drop a comment and let us know what you guys think.